Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 451. Which tense is used to set the scene for another past action? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous. Question number 452. Which tense is used for future events that are part of a timetable or schedule? A. Simple future. B. Present continuous. C. Simple present. D. Future continuous. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 453. Which tense is used to talk about an action that happened before another past action? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, past perfect. Question number 454. Which tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, future continuous. Question number 455. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still continuing? A. Present perfect. B. Present perfect continuous. C. Simple present. D. Past continuous. Correct answer, present perfect continuous. Question number 456. Which tense is used for completed actions with a result in the present? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Past perfect. D. Simple present. Correct answer, present perfect. Question number 457. Which tense is used to describe a general truth? A. Present continuous. B. Simple present. C. Simple past. D. Simple future. Correct answer, simple present. Question number 458. Which tense is used for an action that was ongoing in the past when another action interrupted it? A. Simple past. B. Past continuous. C. Past perfect. D. Present continuous. Correct answer, past continuous. Question number 459. Which tense is used for future plans and intentions, especially when a decision has already been made? A. Simple future, will. B. Be going to future. C. Present continuous, for future. D. Simple present. Correct answer, be going to future, I am going to buy a new car. Question number 460. Which tense is used for actions that are expected to be completed by a certain future time? A. Simple future. B. Future continuous. C. Future perfect. D. Present perfect. Correct answer, future perfect. Like, share, comment and subscribe.